Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to create new layer. Layer is very important for drawing, understanding, drawing, sewing, and particular create the cheeky. Everything is according to layer. When you set the layer, if you provide the particular thickness, when some line has been so the more thickness and some line has so the light thickness, so they are the different process you follow that in AutoCAD. So use for layer. Layer is in very importance because when you provide the layer to give the particular thickness in every line. So when today I will discuss about how to get layer actually. So now I am going to layer here. Two way of going to layer. First of all, this is here layer template here available. Okay, you can see the layer here, how many layer set in our diagram. So look at this way, but there only one layer is available, but I want to number of many layers. So how is it possible? So when you go to LA enter called layer. When you remember that why I am use the shortcut key, because I have not the search in different way. They are the layer style. When go to layer style and set continue, but I shortcut key use LA enter. So LA, when you go to LA enter, this is called layer here. Now series the layer template has been created here. When how to create the new layer? So when you see here different types of process, when I click the any developed, this is the object line layer 00 is always be put down object line continuous line. Then I will click the right here, right click, then coming here set current new layer, rename layer, delete layer, everything is available. Okay, so I want new layer, so here the new folder has become. When you write now dimension line, so this is called dimension line. Okay, then I want to change the color for dimension, so you will provide the dimension here, dimension color, they will come to dimension. If I change the thickness for dimension, so when you go to dimension thickness, okay, so if I go to change the style dimension style, so here the style change from here this style change, so load, when you apply the load, and dimension is also continuous, so I don't think for it's a okay. Second, again click the right and go to new layer, and again I want the center line. So when you click the center line, okay, the center line is provide the color here, change the color. I will give you red color. Okay, then line style, go to load here, because I choose the center line, so find out center. Okay, So this is center line here. Okay, I will click the center line. There apply the center line and okay, apply the center line. Then change the thickness weight to 0.09 and again okay. Then let's go again. Now right click here and new layer. If I set the hidden line, so when you write the hidden line, okay, the color I will provide the color hidden line is this color and change the dimension format when you go load here and also apply the hidden line. So first of all go to search in hidden anywhere, definitely here the hidden line. Okay, select the hidden and again apply the hidden here and okay, this is hidden. Their thickness I will change, so you 0.13.09 is sufficient. And again hidden line is completed. Then the next is new layer. When hatching when you use for section, so hatching is there. Hatching is color, this color used for hatching and hatching is not hidden, so this is continuous line and solid line. Their hatching is color 0.13 and okay. Next again I will provide the new layer. Hatching is completed and also come to leader line. The leader line is in color from another, this color used from leader line and definitely used for continuous. Their thickness has been changed, the leader line 0.09. okay. Then again show you another layer like text color. I will show you green here. It's a good, but show the color in green. Okay. Then also text color is continuous, but their thickness is changed, 0.15 is sufficient thickness. Then also again I will click the new layer in sheet. When you set the sheet size, sheet color, so sheet is know that sheet is always be going white color when you use a white color and thickness is sufficient and continuous. Okay, so again I will use for any different process of layer. It's like ballooning. So when you click the ballooning layer, ballooning, when we will provide the ballooning here and ballooning color is like this type of color when you provide here. Then continuous ballooning has been I want get the ballooning. So this type of setting the layer is very useful in layer. When you again change for any layer is very important. So I will click the dimension, center line, hidden line, hatching, text. This is called layer when you apply the layer. Okay, so this is the different way of layer process in AutoCAD. Look at this. So right now it is different types of layer. When I want go to dimension, so here the dimension layer, this is center line, so dimension center line setup. Look at this. And if you feel the hatching, so get the hatching layer. And if you provide the dimension, if you provide the text here, so when enter the text, so this is the checking purpose. And different thickness provide and clarity our drawing print. So today has been complete this session, and thank you for watching.